G'day, legends, and welcome to week 5 live session of the Become a Roboticist Challenge. Just chatting with Danielle here, and we're going to actually put this out to the public so everybody can see some of the cool things that have been going on. But anyway, so let's get into it. So congratulations for finishing. This is the end of 4 hard weeks of building robots and understanding the underlying stuff in terms of ROS2 and all these sorts of things. So if you've gotten this far, and even if you haven't quite got your robot finished, but you've gotten a better understanding of ROS and how robots work and what joints are and how to control your robot, I mean, that's a big win. So congratulations for getting through as far as you want. And by the way, you can come and take this challenge again if you want to. And as many times as you like. And so the next time we'll be doing this all again on the 7th of February 2025. So if you're part of the course, you get this for free. Just come. I'll send an opt-in email closer to the date that'll give you reminders for when the when it's all going to start. But without further ado, I want to hand over to Danielle, who's going to be talking about the robot that he's made so far in this challenge course. So over to you, Daniel. Tell us about the robot that you made and what you learned along the way.
So the robot that I chose is is from Segway. If you guys remember, it's a company that used to make this scooter types of transport, right? But it's recently been acquired by Ninebot, so they're still that. So this robot, what it is, it's in its name itself, it's a delivery robot. So what draws me into it is the simple shape, it's boxy shape.
Yeah.
But I remember seeing one video from YouTube where people, foreigners who came to China and ordered things, ordered things in the hotel, and they have this robot sending their orders to them to in front of the doors. Right? So the operation is pretty simple. It has compartments in it. There can be dividers up to 4, and since there are 4 doors in front, when I think about this, apart from the box shape, I thought that I could create that simply in FreeCAD. So there were other robots, but I didn't choose that because other robots had more complex configuration. I guess this config was the closest to what John's content have that I can, build on top of.
Yeah, nice.
So there's a link there at the bottom where you can see the whole information about this robot. And I took this snapshot of this, so so we can have an understanding on how it works. It's pretty simple, You the robot arrives, then you put in the items, and it goes to deliver. It has built-in what's called obstacle avoidance systems. One of the things that I think that's interesting, that it has the ability to talk to an elevator directly, which is pretty cool. We'll find a way to do that in simulation.
Yeah.
So as the robot goes to its destination, the end user will get a notification call, and from there, the receiver would get to unlock the compartment. Yeah, and after that, the robot goes back to its home base station. So that's the scenario that I try to simulate.
Cool. Very cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna show a video of it. This is a video from the company, though.
Okay.
It should be muted. So I want to at least show how this robot works IRL.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is a short video. So it goes there. User got a call, and
She got a copy. Nice.
yep. All right.
Beautiful.
So actually, I attached a video of my recording of doing the simulation for the last day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll just show the video then.
All right.
Is music okay here, or should I?
Yeah, go nuts. Although, all right.
The things are sped up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, do you want to turn off the music because we can talk about it as we go.
All right.
So this is really cool, right? So this is happening with Nav2. Is that
right?
So what's so is
So
that
everything.
a Nav2 goal? Yeah.
Yeah. So I collected the poses of the destinations, such as the base and the spot in front of the lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, I even put in the orientation so it knows to turn around and have the doors face to the user. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So I noticed that wall has the word base on it. Did you make that wall model? If you go back, you can see.
Sorry.
See how it says base written on that purple wall?
Base?
Yeah, see there it says BASE on the purple wall?
Oh yeah, yeah, I did that. I did it on Blender.
Ah,
And I'll be
nice.
honest, I've used more Blender this year compared to last year, and it's only
Yeah.
been a few days
Only,
of
yeah, 17th of
2025.
January. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So
I like
that's a yeah.
I do like the shape of the I think you really captured the robot's the shape of the robot you're going for, right? It really does look like that robot. And so you also got the doors control, it seems, right? Like, so the doors seem to open. How did you
Right.
get that to work?
Well, similar to the gripper script that we had on what do you call that? Mackie or My
Yeah.
Robot Arm
Yeah.
tutorial. And from there I just uh duplicated up till 4 controllers. So
Yeah.
one control for each door,
Yeah.
and I had to look closely into the URDF so no collisions happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Good.
oh yeah, I'm gonna tell the audience that what you see in the video right now is the V1 version. Um, because I tried to execute the code and opening the door. It had tolerance issues on the V2, but it's actually a simple fix once you figure it out. Uh, yeah, it's a simple fix once you figure it out the first time. So you can apply the same code to the V2.
Yeah. No, it's very cool. Very cool. And so what do you want to like? So obviously you finished the challenge. So congratulations. You've become a roboticist in my eyes because you've got through the challenge. What are you going to do next with this? With this robot sim or in general? Like, what do you want to take the skills that you've learned?
Right. So the next step would be I would like to create a interface for service operator for this delivery robot, as well as the client-facing interfaces as well.
Mm,
I know, like in the deeper level, there should be something more of a robot states, like knowing if the door is actually open or closed,
yeah,
or if it has arrived to a destination or something like that.
yeah,
So I'll try to go into that.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, more
yeah.
of
No,
a end-to-end solution type of journey.
yeah. And I guess now that you've got these skills in a broader context, what do you hope to do outside of the simulation that you've made for the challenge? Like, what are you going to do with these skills that you've now gained?
I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, I do have like couple of small robot kits. I'll try to do that. Put them into simulation.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe work. Try to make more applications, robot applications.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. And I did notice that you were using the gazebo tool to move the can out of the container in the robot.
Oh yeah.
Are you looking to upgrade that in the future?
Oh,
Perhaps.
definitely. I don't know how to make the simulation like almost real.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if there's actually a technique to spawn or despawn the target object and then put it straight into the compartment of the robot. I don't know if that's
Yeah.
possible, if you know.
I mean, you can spawn objects in XYZ coordinates, but I reckon it'd be really fun if you were to you could spawn a Mackie arm at the
Oh,
loaded station and have it pick up and put in
oh
to
yeah.
the box. I think that'd be cool.
It's actually great.
I think you can also. I think there are some plugins to apply forces to objects, so you could have it shoot out at the lady when it gets open, and then just go pshoo if you wanted to. I don't know. That could be fun.
Great insight.
Yeah. So yeah, but it's really cool. I really like the commitment to the full world as well. So I really like how you've built a whole simulation world with where the robot lives and then the target of where it's got to get to. Really great to see. Good use of nav2. Good use of building your own robot and adding links to that robot as well. So we just got Thomas coming in here. So it's really great to see that happening. So overall, I think it was a really great project and good job, getting to the end and making a robot. G'day, Thomas. We're just on the live call recording. Hey, nearly finished. So with that, I might go switch back over to my slides. Thank you, Danielle. Cool. And that's pretty much it. So, we're going to sit here on the live call and we'll have a chat about what you think the best thing about the challenge was. But otherwise, we'll hang out, get it working. If anybody's stuck, we can work through your problems, look at your template, or if anybody else wants to show off their robot, you're happy to. But I think what we might do is end the live call here. We'll end the recording here, and we'll keep hanging out and chatting on the live call. So thanks, everyone. And I'll see you. By the way, the next session is going to be on the 7th of February. So we'll be, if you're interested in coming back and doing this all over again, we'll start on the 7th of February. So maybe I'll see you then. Okay. Bye, everyone, on the recording.